We were dying. I mean, Matt and I have laughed so hard at that. It's in my phone.
How do you know it's in there?
I can hear it, and the thing moved. Oh shit, it's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel?
Man. It's either a squirrel or a raccoon.
Did it make that hole in the ceiling?
Can I stand on this?
Can you stand on the chair? Yeah.
Shit.
Where'd it go?
It's in mine.
It went to the other kayak? Could you see what it was?
Yeah, it's a squirrel. Those things will mess you up, you know. Yeah, why don't you open the door?
Where is it?
It's a squirrel.
Where did it go?
He's on the... Okay, he's gone.
Girl, that girl jumped on top of the door. Like, I'm peeking out the door already. I was already, like, the squirrel, it comes flying out like a super squirrel with its arms and legs, does its, carnival flip in the air on the way down. Matt's crashing into my shit. And it runs towards me. So I get behind the door, got just my head peeking around into the garage, and I've got the phone out there videoing. And then I'm like,
Where did it go?
and he goes, it ran over there. And right when he says that, I felt it, and all of a sudden it goes, dunk, and it's like a balance beam up above my head, like just the edge of the door. It had ran across the garage and flew up onto the shelf, I guess. And then it was going to scurry across the top of the garage wall, but it scurried across the freaking door. And I knew what it had done. And I just thought it was going to fall on top of my head. And then don't you love how Matt, when we get the garage door open and it goes out, and then he's all, okay, it's gone. Like he's a superhero or something. The superhero, scared, freaked out dude with the kayaking oar that if you do the slow-mo of when it's flying out of the thing, you see how scared he is in his face. And then you see him swing for it, but it's a total swing and a miss, like huge. Like 20 squirrels could have gotten between his oar and the squirrel. He wasn't anywhere even close. He's like, oh, okay, it's gone. I'm such a badass. Oh, my God.